equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off your laptop and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Next, gently pry open the back cover using the plastic tool. Be careful not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the battery and disconnect it for safety. Now, find the screen connectors. Carefully detach them, ensuring you don't pull too hard. With the connectors free, remove the screws holding the screen in place. Lift the old screen out and clean the area with the microfiber cloth. This ensures no dust gets trapped under the new screen. Position the new screen and reconnect the connectors. Secure it with screws. Before sealing the back cover, double-check everything is connected properly. Finally, replace the back panel and screws. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. Remember, for a professional diagnosis without obligation, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, and you'll receive a quote before repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.